Hey guys, Elian here from AI's Tech Reviews, and these are Ikon's Alpha wireless gaming headset. I've had them for about 2 weeks now thanks to Evetech, a gaming company in South Africa. Evetech were founded 15 years ago by Imran Saratia back in 2007, and he was the one who so kindly provided me with this headset plus a few other things. Firstly, a quick unboxing. The box has a few details to do with the battery, which is rated at 17 hours, the surround sound, and the compatibility. It does say it only works on PlayStation and PC, but it does work on the Xbox One as well. Right up top, you have a plastic casing over the headset. The ear cups are very nicely padded, and so is the headband. It's plastic and metal for the rest of the headset, so first impressions, great build quality. Underneath, you have a plastic bag consisting of a braided 3.5mm audio cable and a USB receiver. That's right, this can be used wired and wirelessly. Anyway, the design of the headset is quite understated and gives it a stealthy look. It's all black with no crazy designs anywhere, just the simple icon text on both ear cups and on the headband in black. Before we get into anything else, let's start with pricing. This headset costs 500 South African Rand, which equates to just under £25 here in the UK. This headset is sold only in South Africa, so if you live there, lucky you, otherwise you might have to ask someone to ship it out for you. On the Xbox One, audio was good. In Forza Horizon 4 and Dishonored it sounded fine, but the F1 games on the console at least was where the issues kind of were. While on track, it sounded excellent. It could feedback every little sound with clarity, but the commentators always sounded muffled, and I couldn't really seem to get around that. There is mentioning in the manual of the Xbox One and the Xbox One S, but nothing related to the One X, which may be the reason for the audio issues. I have not tested this headset on any other Xbox or any other console for that matter, so take this with a grain of salt. After the Xbox, I used it on the PC. I used it both wired and wirelessly, and I believe it sounds better wirelessly. It doesn't have huge amounts of bass, it's good enough for videos and streaming, and I feel it could be better for music. That was until I found the Uniq audio optimization software. I had a play around with it. I enabled the surround sound of voice optimization, and I maxed out the bass and treble. And after doing that, it sounded phenomenal. It was like being at a live concert or in a recording studio. That's how I feel about audio quality, and comfort is superb. The entire headset has padding of what feels like leather, and it's super comfortable to wear for hours. And the mic is removable, so if you have an external mic or don't want to have one in front of your face, not a problem. I had some of my friends give me some feedback on what the audio sounded like from the microphone of this headset, and they all said it sounded great. Battery life is rated for 17 hours, as I said earlier, and I have hit that. And it takes about 1 to 2 hours to charge. Unfortunately, it's micro USB and not USB-C, otherwise I believe that charging time could be even less. So this headset has excellent audio quality, both mic and speakers. It gets immensely loud and the bass is just excellent. And using the Uniq audio software, you can make it sound however you want. If you are outside of South Africa and have a way to get this headset, I'd highly recommend it. When compared to the Logitech G435, which I'd call its closest competitor, the Alpha Wireless has better build quality, sound quality, and battery life is very similar among the two. If I'm honest, I do prefer the design of the Alpha Wireless over the G435's more boxy design. But on the other hand, it is lighter than the Alpha Wireless, but it's not significant enough for me to say that you should go for the G435 over the Alpha Wireless. If you guys enjoyed, consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one.